Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Kritika and today I'm going to be sharing with you a very easy nail art. This nail art is based on Easter and you can do this very easily at home by yourself. So let's get started. Coat all your nails with a base coat and then layer them with the yellow nail paint. Apply the nail paint on all your fingers except for your middle finger. On middle finger, apply this lavender shade. Using a nail art brush, create these white lines on your ring finger. We are creating a cracked egg effect over here, so you can be very rough with this step. You can later on finalize it using the original nail paint brush that we used to apply the nail paint. Then using a toothpick, make two eyes for the cheek and an orange nose. Complete the look with white dots. Using a toothpick again, create white flowers on the middle finger just like shown in the video. You can make as many white flowers as you like, just keep some distance between them and they look very pretty. Apply yellow dots in the center of the flowers to complete the flowers. Use Q-tip to clean the edges of your nails and your Easter nail art is complete. Try this nail art at home and I'm sure you're gonna love it. I will be mentioning all the details for the nail paints in the description box below. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and do give this video a big thumbs up. I will see you in the next one. Till then, bye.